And there's an important distinction I want to make about radical self-reliance, in particular in our culture in the United States, this rugged individualism, and this expectation of society and championing of, doing it yourself and achieving and achievement and all of this kind of expectation, and then also celebration of doing it on your own. And the incredible pressure that puts on so many people. And speaking for myself of what I felt in that before, and how that is not what radical self-reliance is about.